Brown Beauty, welcome back to another video. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Mirabayo. I create beauty and lifestyle contents, and yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome and thanks for always coming back. That's make me so excited. And if you're a new subscriber, please do it to join the family by subscribing to the button. And if you enjoy watching the video as well, please do it to subscribe and share to people that might benefit from it too. So in today's video, I'll quickly be showing you a quick detailed video on how I achieve this lip combo. Guys, if you enjoy watching and if you would like me to continue with the tutorials, let me know and what type of lip combo you would like me to try next. So let's get right into the video. So welcome back. Like I said, please do it to subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed and you're already here, thanks for coming back. So let's get right to the video. I'll be showing you the product I'll be using. Firstly, I'll be going in with this my black pencil. It's just a random pencil that I got from market. This is just 300 naira. It's not cost me much, so I'll be using this first to line up my lips. Next, I'm going with this brown pencil. I also got it from a store nearby. It is cost 1.5. I don't really know the brand because it's not stated, so I'll be using this as well. Next, I'll be going this tomato red lip gloss from Classic Makeup. I also get this from a store, and it's cost 1,500 naira or so. Next, I'll be going with this a little bit nude color, and yes, this is to brighten up the center, just to brighten up the red lip gloss. This is not branded. I don't really know the brand that it's from, but yes, it's worked perfectly. I'll be using this clear lip gloss from Classic Makeup as well. I also got this from 1.5 at the same store. So yes, this is the only brush I'll be using. It may not really necessary, but yeah, this is the brush I'll be using just to blend out the if it's needed. This is what I'll be using. I also got this for about 1.9 at the same store. It's not also branded, so yeah. Also, guys, this is the final result of the lip combo. So what do you think about this? I think I love the fact that I used the classic tomato red lip gloss, and this is giving so stunning. So what do you think about the lip combo? And if you find this very helpful, please do to subscribe to the channel, like, comments, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And please, you can also comment down the lip combo tutorial you would like me to do next. So once you drop, let me know. So let me get back to you very soon. Bye.